Hi everyone, we are from Group 6 and today we will present about the business model canvas of our product, which is SML Power Bank. Our group consists of 5 members, which is me, Qiahui, Li Ting, Alicia, Amira, and Melissa. Firstly, I want to introduce our SML Power Bank, which this Power Bank is high-tech product and can become the new generation of Power Bank in the future market. The design of our power bank is showing at the left hand side, and you can see that although it is simple, but once you know the function of this product, you will realize that actually this product is very useful in our daily life. The mission of our business is to provide high quality of product to the customer and how all customers can get happiness and satisfaction by using our product. Next, this is our business model canvas, which consists of 9 segments, and each segment will be explained with more detail by our group member according to the flow of the BMC. First, the value proposition of our product. What uniques of our product that can attract customers to buy it from us? 1. Our product is small and light. Most of the power bank in current market are bulky, but our power bank is definitely different from them. The weight of our product is only 50 grams, and this can help people more convenient and more easily to bring it to anywhere. 2. High charging capacity. Although our SML power bank is very small, but it's very powerful because the capacity of battery inside it can up to 20,000 mAh. This basically can fulfill everyone's needs and enable people to charge their phone in several times. Third, fast charging. This is the most important features of our SML power bank because our product adopt with the new technology called Quick Charge 5, which this technology enables us to make the process of charging become more faster than other power bank. The battery from 0% to 100% only need 15 to 30 minutes, and this really can help the consumer to save their time. 4. Multifunctional. This is also another unique of our product, which our product not only can help people to charge their electronic devices, but also can act as an OTG pen drive, which means that this can help people to save their file, music, everything into our product up to 32 gigs.
Hello guys, I'm Li Ting. Now I will take turns to continue our presentation. I will introduce the part for the customer segment and the channels we choose to promote our new product, which is SML Power Bank. Our customer target is all electronic user. Once you can charge your device via USB cable, such as camera, GoPro, headset of mobile phone, then you definitely need us. Come to the next part. We have chosen 4 methods as our promoting channels. Social media is our main choice. Creating an official account on social media, such as Instagram or Facebook, can let customers more know about us. Well, the second one, e-commerce platform. Nowadays, e-platform will automatically recommend the other same function products to the user when they are surveying through the platform. For example, when a customer is searching for a power bank, even though the customer didn't type our brand, but our product will be showing in the recommendation site. The third one, word of mouth. We can promote our product through closest people such as our family members or friends. This is more functional because people will share their using experience too when they are sharing. This may let people more knowledgeable about the product instead of just reading the introduction by the official account. Last but not least, hiring an influencer to promote our products. As we know, nowadays people tend to follow the idols to purchase something rather than they really get to know about the products.
Next is about our customer relationship. Customer relationship is how we get, keep, and grow our customer, and also how we maintain our customer. Here is some of our company strategies to increase the number of customer and also to maintain the customer that we already have. So the first thing is we have to set the affordable price. As we know, price is the important aspect of the business. The price should be suitable with the customer capabilities because customer is our priorities. For example, when we give early birds price of discount to the customer, they felt happy where we so it means that we successfully increase the interest of customer towards our product. People will like to buy more at a lower price. It can also help in increasing our sale. So in business, the manager should be alert and make a good strategy to set the price of the product. Okay, next is about the loyalty card. Loyalty card is a card that given by the retailer or supplier to the customer as a part of incentive scheme. So loyalty card is a system that encourage customer to come back more often to take advantage of our special offer, discount or rewards. For example, when the customer come to our store for 5 times, they will get 1 power bank for free. So it can increase the customer loyalty to keep coming to our store. Based on infographic, about 99% of customers say that loyalty cards will influence them to shop more. So this can maintain the customer loyalty to always come and buy more and buy our product. So lastly is about the warranty. Warranty is a service that provided by manufacturer of our product at a certain period of time. Product warranty are benefit to both the customer and also the business owner, because they know if there is in trouble with the product, they can turn to the company. So it also a promise to our customer that our product is free from any defect. For example, our SML power bank will given 1 year warranty. So if the product was not function within 1 year, they can return it to repair or get a new one. It can increase the confidential of our product towards customer and also as a signal of product quality.
I will present about the key activities and key resources. For the key activities, we have 6 steps. Okay, the first step is our company will acquire the raw material from the supplier, which is from our supplier in China. Okay, so the second step is after we acquire our raw material, our production team will start to process the product neatly by the help of the machine to make sure that the product is in high quality. Okay, so the third step is finishing product. After we finish our product, the next step is our designing team will start to print the design on our power bank to make it more interesting. Okay, so we have 4 different design, and as you can see in our slide, we show you the example of the design. Okay, so the next step is we will label and packing our power bank in a box that fit perfectly. Okay, so the last step is we will process our customer order and we will send the power bank to the customers. The key resources that we use to make our product is first, raw materials itself. Okay, so the raw materials that we use are resistors, regulator, rechargeable battery, switch, flash memory chip, plug connector, wire capacitor, and plastic case. Okay, the second key resources that we use is human resources. In order to make a good product, we need the help of the human resources because it will help us to find the right people to do the job. Okay, so the human resources also help in handle the job training, mentoring, and coaching the staff to ensure that the staff work effectively. Okay, so the next key resources, of course, the staffs. Okay, so the staffs is the important key resources because it will help us in handling the machine. Okay, because the machine cannot handle itself without the help of the human. Okay, so the other need of the staff is it help in assembly of products, testing finished product, transporting materials and other equipment, and lastly is cleaning. Okay, so the next the key resources after the staff is capital. The capital that we use in our production is machinery capital. This machinery capital is very important because it will increase the productivity, also can save our time during making the product. Okay, so the next one is brand. Brand is very important to declare our identification, and it also helps us to produce a loyal customer. Okay, so the brand for our product is SML power bank, that stand for Super Mini Lightness Power Bank. Okay, so the last key resources is shipping. Shipping is the medium that we use to transfer customer order to them. So our medium that we use for shipping are Post Laju, JNT, Ninja Van, and GDEX.
Next, for the key partner, there are 4 parts of it, and the first is management. In our management, there are 5 members consist of it, which is me as a CEO, Alicia as an operating manager, Roliti as a marketing manager, Melissa as a financial manager, and Amira as a human resources manager. Second, IT supplier. In 27 July 2020, Qualcomm introduced the new technology, QuickChat 5, and this technology is the most important feature of our SML power bank. So we need Qualcomm to become our IT supplier in order to provide us their technology and help us to develop our production. Third, material supplier. We need material supplier to obtain our key resources in order to producing our power bank, such as switch, battery, wire, and the others. Most of our material supplier are from China because they can provide us the raw material in a lower price and good quality. 4. Career partners. We need to find the partners that provide us the low-cost shipping rate, and this can help us to minimize the expenses of our business. We need them to deliver our goods to our customer in the safest way, which doesn't involve any damage on our product, and the faster way, which is our customer can receive our product in 1 to 3 days.
Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Tan Wei-Yun. I will present about the cost structure of our products. Before we start, here is some additional information about our production unit. As shown in the slide, our company has estimated that our monthly production is 3,000 units and our yearly production will be 3,000 units times with 12 months. So there will be 36,000 units produced in 1 year. Let's go back to our cost. Basically, our cost is divided into 3 parts, which are direct material cost, direct labor cost, and also expenses. We will look more details after this. First of all, we look at direct material costs. There is the list of direct material needed to produce our power bank, which are rechargeable battery, switch, flash memory chips, plug connector, wire, capacitor, regulator, resistor, and plastic case. Our company has found the most cheapest supplier to supply this material, which helps us to reduce our production cost. So, as shown in slide, the cost per unit of the material are rechargeable battery, 10 ringgit per unit, switch, 50 cents per unit, flash memory chips, 10 ringgit per unit, plug connector, 1 ringgit per unit, wire, 1 ringgit per unit, capacitor, 1 ringgit per unit, regulator, 1 ringgit per unit, resistor, 1 ringgit per unit, and plastic case, 2 ringgit per unit. The total direct material cost per unit is 27 ringgit and 50 cents. To calculate each material monthly cost, we just use the cost per unit of each materials times with estimated monthly production units, which is 3,000 units. Then we will get those monthly costs for each materials as shown in the slide. Then we sum out all these monthly costs, we will get 82,500 ringgit as our total material monthly cost. It's the same way to calculate each material yearly cost. We just use cost per unit of each materials times with estimated yearly production units, which is 36,000 units. Then we will get this yearly cost. After that, we sum out all these yearly costs, we will get the total direct material cost, 990,000 ringgit per year. The next one is direct labor cost. Our company has estimated that an operator needs 3 hours to produce 1 power bank. So the monthly direct labor hour will be 3 hours times with estimated monthly production units, which is 3,000 units. So the monthly direct labor hour will be 9,000 hours, and the yearly direct labor hours will be 108,000 hours. Our company also estimated that the direct labor cost per unit is 7 ringgit. So the monthly direct labor cost will be 7 ringgit times with 9,000 hours. So the monthly direct labor cost is 63,000 ringgit and the yearly direct labor cost is 756,000 ringgit. The third part is expenses. This is the list of all expenses of our company, which included operating expenses and selling and administrative expenses. Since most of the expenses is paid monthly, so we start from monthly expenses. Our company has estimated that the rental is 5,000 ringgit, utilities is 3,500 ringgit, marketing and advertising is 500 ringgit, sales commission is 2,500 ringgit, salaries is 10,000 ringgit, carriage is 3,000 ringgit, and depreciation is 400 ringgit. So we sum up all these monthly expenses. The total monthly expenses is 24,900 ringgit. For yearly expenses, we just use monthly expenses times with 12 months. We will get rental 60,000 ringgit, utilities 42,000 ringgit, marketing and advertising 6,000 ringgit, sales commission 30,000 ringgit, salaries 120,000 ringgit, carriage 36,000 ringgit, depreciation 4,800 ringgit. So we sum out all these costs, we will get total expenses is 29,880 ringgit per year. Our company's expenses are based on direct labor hour basis. So to calculate expenses cost per unit, we need to use monthly expenses cost divided by estimated monthly direct labor hour, which is 9,000 hours. So we can get the cost per unit for each expenses, which are rental 56 cents, utilities 39 cents, marketing and advertising 6 cents, sales commission 28 cents, salaries 1 ringgit 11 cents, carriage 33 cents, and depreciation 4 cents. The total cost per unit for expenses is 2 ringgit 77 cents. So to calculate total cost per unit of our product, we just sum out all 3 types of costs, which are direct material cost per unit, direct labor cost per unit, and expenses cost per unit. So 27 ringgit 50 cents plus 7 ringgit plus 2 ringgit 77 cents, we will get the total cost per unit of our product, which is 37 ringgit 27 cents. This is the end of cost structure part. I will pass the presentation to my partners to continue next part.
Okay, last is about the revenue streams. Revenue stream is how we generate income for our business. So here is some of our strategy to gain income. So the first is sales of good. Sales of good for the cost per unit of our product is 37.27 ringgit Malaysia. So we will sell our product at a markup price 60%. So our selling price is about 60 ringgit Malaysia. So we have an expected volume of sale in a month, which is 2,500 units of SML power bank. So in a month, we will get 56,825 ringgit Malaysia. While in a year, the expected volume of sale is 30,000 units of SML power bank. So we will get 681,900 ringgit Malaysia. So with increasing our target volume of sale, it can help us to gain more income. And next, we will do some extra service such as repair phone and laptop. This is actually to make sure the customer keep repeating, come to our company. The best service that we give will make our customer happy. So happy customer will recommend our business to others through words of mouth or social media reviews. We can get more customer plus more sales. So this is the extra service that we can do in order to give the best customer service and also gain our income. So lastly is we will find a partner to collaborate. It is happen when a group of people come together and contribute their expertise for benefit of a shared objective, project or mission. When we have a partner collaboration in the business, it is easy for us to expand our business, acquire new customer, and at the same time, we can increase our revenue. So we can also learn from our partners about the technology and resources that they use to have a quality of product.
The next part is SWOT analysis of our product. Basically, this part will talk about the strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and traits of our product. The first strength of our power bank is light and small, which our power bank only 50 grams. Besides, it can also use as a 32 gig pen drive for us to store our documents. Furthermore, it uses the latest technology, which is Qualcomm 5 that support lightning charging. Last but not least, it has a high charging capacity, which is 20,000 mAh that enables us to use all day. Of course, there are some weaknesses of our power bank. Just like other innovative products, consumers might less familiar with our power bank. Besides, since our power bank is support lightning charging, so it might damage the phone's battery, but in a lower speed compared with other power bank. The third weakness is our power bank might be infected by computer virus because it also functions as a pen drive to store documents.
Come to the O part, which is opportunity. The first opportunity is rising the demand of power bank. As time flies, world changes, technology changes, people will follow to vary. More and more people will tend to use smartphone within the future, and this definitely will greatly increase the demand of needed a power bank. If the demand for power bank is rising, this can boost our sales and is very useful for our business. The second one, expanding the range of product. After all, we are only launching one product at the moment, which is the power bank. If we release a variety of products instead of a power bank in the future, this will satisfy the different needs of each customer. For example, we can produce headphone or power bank specifically for charging notebooks and so on. The third is globalization and modernization. Nowadays, science and technology are becoming more and more developed in our routine, and because of COVID-19, everyone has reduced verbal communication between people. Naturally, the probability of contacting via digital is getting higher and higher. In this way, everyone must ensure that the electronic products are always in a full battery moment. So the last one is simplification. The simplification is means to simplify lifestyles. Our product is a combination of pen drive and power bank. Simplified lifestyles are slowly becoming popular. Everyone tends to use multifunctional things rather than use two things with one only function. So, this will not only reduce the waste of resources, but also reduce the weight of everyone's bags. So, these are the opportunities that encourage our company to produce more creative and innovative products to people nowadays in order to satisfy their needs for their life, but at the same moment to protect our environment too.
Okay, the last one is threats. The threats that we face during making our product is competition. Competition means that the business need to compete with other organizations that provide the same services to the customer. As we know, competition is a very common trait that almost every company face in the market. It is important to know who is your competitors so that we can actually think a strategy to achieve the goals. And we also need to compete in terms of price, quality, and after-sales service. For example, as we all know, Powerbank brand P9 is one of the popular brand in powerbank industry. So our company need to analyze the market condition from time to time, including customer behavior and strategy of competitors. Okay, the next trait is labor skills. In organization, it is important to have skill labor because they have a knowledge on how to take care of the product. For example, they know the component that need to put inside the power bank to ensure that it can be used and give benefit to the users. Okay, this shortage of skill labor may affect the quality of the product. So to solve this problem, managers should actively train the employee, such as making a training program or mentoring. And the last trait is advancement of technology. So, advancement of technology will give a chance for the competitors to hack the privacy information in the company. To prevent these problems, managers should set up the team that mainly handle the IT landscape so that all the information in the company can be protected. Other than that, we can encrypt the information by putting complex password fingerprint so that the hacker cannot steal the information.
In conclusion, by designing and explaining each segment of our BMC, we hope this presentation will give a clear picture of our business concept to the client who want to collaborate or do business with us. By exploring the SWOT analysis, we're able to identify what part we are doing well and what part we are lacking of. Not only that, we also can point out the opportunity that can help us to become more successful and what traits should we take into account to minimize the risk. That's all from us. Thank you for listening.